Here it comes. Well, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we was in Weymouth to see the iconic steam train coming through, and today we're just in Upwey, and we're going to watch it leave Weymouth and come through Upwey on its route down to Dorchester and Southampton and then on to London. So without no further ado, it's just a waiting game. So come on, let's have a look. Well, this side. Next stop. Here it comes. I left an engine behind. I only had one engine, did it? Well, apparently they run into problems at Weymouth. Yeah, they run into problems at Weymouth with, it seems to have only had one engine on, so maybe the other engine's stuck at Weymouth. I've had a word with one of the train drivers that came through on the Great Western Railway, and he said they've run into problems, so only had one engine.